Right, so we've got one of these. It's called Iron Gym. And to put it on, I gotta get it grip. I'm gonna get a grip here. This makes it easier for me. So I hold it like this. I gotta get these two things on this side of the door jamb. And then this comes up and sits right on top there like that. And then on this side, look, bam, there you go. Check it out. Not bad, huh? All right. Pretty good, huh? All right, so here you are, right? And you can do your pull-ups. I can do one hand at once. See that? Watch the switch. When you're all done, all you have to do is just kind of lift it forward, and then off of that, just turn it. It just comes right out. And then we just put it right here. Bam, done. Ready for the next time.